Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my November picks for the Sephora Beauty Kit. Hi there, this is Editing Kay, popping in for a moment to point out what an idiot past Kay is. Yeah, throughout the whole of this video, for some reason I keep referring to this bag as my November picks, and it's not. This is my December picks. Last month was my November picks, not my October picks. I didn't even have a bag in October. Don't know where my brain was. I think it just took a vacation while I was filming this video. It's the only explanation I've got. It's the one I'm sticking with. So yeah, apologies for any confusion in this video, but this is definitely December's picks. Last month was November. Bye. So as always, if you have any thoughts or feelings on the products that I talk about today, please remember to leave a comment down below. I really do love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. Maybe you've tried some of the items and you like them, maybe you don't like them so much and you want to give me advance warning, in which case, thank you very much. And if you are new here, again, welcome, and I'd love it if you would subscribe before you leave today, because I post videos like this quite regularly, along with subscription box unboxings, the occasional get ready with me, empties videos and beauty purchases videos. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, I would love to see you come back. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the Sephora Beauty Kit then is something that I talked about last month as well. I'll leave a link to the video. I can't remember which corner it will be, but it will be popping up anytime now. And this is what used to be the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. Now Feel Unique got bought out by Sephora, so it is now the Sephora Beauty Kit. And I did make a selection last month. I haven't done the beauty kit, even when it was Feel Unique, for quite some time. The products just didn't seem to change a lot. And it just didn't seem like it was good value for money, because there wasn't really a lot of new options available. But I did decide to pick a few things last month. There were a couple of newer items and sort of exciting things that I wanted to try on there, and this month there were a couple of things that were different to the last time I made a choice, so I decided to do it again this month. Now this little bag is $13.95 per bag, but it is a subscription service as well, so you can opt to take out a longer length of subscription and it will reduce the cost of that subscription for you. I'll pop all of that information in the description box down below, so if you are interested you can have a look down there and see what the prices would be. I think it goes up to 6 months subscription, and it just takes a little bit of money off the value, off the price of the bag. But I've just bought a one-off bag, so this bag has cost me £13.95. For that £13.95 you get 5 products. They are going to be mini sizes more than anything else. There's no full sizes there, but you can get some decent sized minis, like the deluxe mini sizes. So for me, I'm still not 100% convinced that it's worth £13.95. You can get subscription boxes where you can get the odd full size product in them. That just seems more worth it to me. But that being said, there are some decent products within the selections at the moment, so might be worth having a look if you're interested. So let's get into what I picked for November. So first up, this is something that went on probably a couple of days after I made my picks for October, and this is from Rosing, and it's that way around, so there you go. And this is a mini lipstick, so this is a satin lip colour in the shade Persuasive, and I just thought it looked like a gorgeous colour online. And how dainty is this? How cute is that? It does feel quite cheap and plasticky, like it's definitely a sample rather than an actual product, but I've never had any Rosing products, so I don't know whether that's the case. And then that is the lipstick, and that looks like such a nice shade. Let's just try that out. I'm going to pop it on there. Ooh, that is definitely a shade that I will wear. So that's really nice. And with it being so tiny as well, I stand half a chance of finishing that, which is an exciting prospect for me and lipsticks. But yeah, that's the first product I chose. And this is, does it tell me how big it is? I feel like it was 1.2 grams. Yes, 1.2 grams it tells me on the actual bullet. So not a bad size for a lipstick, but it is something that you can actually try out, get a good feel for. But it's not going to be massively overwhelming, so that's quite nice. I quite like that kind of thing is in there. So that's the first product. Next is something else that was new from last month. This definitely wasn't on there the last time I made my choices, and this is from Ole Henriksen. And Ole Henriksen is a brand that I've been wanting to try a few things from. I really want to try the, is it called Banana Bright Under Eye Cream? I've got eye creams, I don't need an eye cream, but that just looks so interesting to me. I'm really keen to have a go. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, so it's not the eye cream, but it is the serum. Vitamin C is something that I do like to use in my skincare routine. I have sort of not shied away from it, but there's been other products that I've had that I've been trying instead. But I've got a few vitamin C type products sort of come into my life recently, so it's definitely something that I'm going to be getting back into. But yeah, again, this is a decent size. This is 7ml, so this is something that I'm going to be able to try out for a little while and get a good feel for how I feel about it. But yeah, again, I thought that was such a good, nice product to be on that little beauty kit service. So that was option number 2. And for my third pick, this was something else I was really excited to try. So this is from Fenty Beauty, and it is the Gloss Bomb Heat. I've not tried any lip products from Fenty Beauty, none at all. It's something that's been on my radar. It's something that I've been wanting to try, but for some reason I've just never got around to it. And I keep seeing people talk about them, and I keep thinking I need to do that, and then I don't. So when I saw that this was on here, it was a no-brainer. It was something that I definitely got to try. And again, it was something new and exciting on the beauty kit section of the website. So it seemed worth having a go. But this is just a little mini size, so this isn't the usual packaging. I believe the usual packaging has got like either a hexagonal or octagonal sort of lid on it, and this is just a little rounded lid. But that is the colour, which is in 01 Hot Cherry, and it is going to be one of those plumping ones, I believe. The colour looks quite bright, but it is a gloss, so I imagine it's not going to be quite as bright on the lips. Let's just not tip that upside down though. Pop that on there. Yeah, that's a lot better. So it goes on a lot paler than it looks in the tube. And can I feel a tingle on my hand? Can I feel that heating up? Or is that just my imagination? I'm not sure, but oh, if you smell it, I feel like there might be some cayenne in here. Yeah, one of the ingredients has got the word capsicum in it. So yeah, that smells like there's something spicy in there. Not like a hot spicy food spice, but there's definitely something in there that you think, oh, that's chilly, that's hot. So I'm a bit nervous about that, but also really keen to try it, so we'll see how that goes. Now this product, I can't remember whether it was on when I made my October picks or not. I did choose a Biossance product last month. I think it was the Copper Peptide and Squalane Serum. This is the Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. Again, Vitamin C, something that I want to try. Oil is something that I use in my nighttime routine, so I do have a couple of oils that I need to try and get through, but I thought this was a small amount that I might be able to use up. Tiny cute little bottle. I do love the look of that. But yeah, I just thought I'd give it a go. I think there is a slight rose smell in there, so if you're not a fan of rose scents, you might not like that, but to me it was very delicate, so might be worth a risk. Up to you. But yeah, so this is a facial oil to visibly brighten and firm, so I'm keen to try that. And my final pick was Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I've had one of these before. I've used one today. I love the Precisely My Brow. I prefer it to the Goof Proof brow pencil. I like that pencil, but I find that it can be a bit too thick for me. The design of it's just a bit too thick, whereas this I just find is a lot more, well, precise. Is there not a lid to this? Oh, there's no lid to this. I was expecting there to be a lid, and there is no lid. But it's just, if I just wind it up there, you can see it's just a tiny little I was going to say lead, but it's not lead, it's eyebrow product. But you know what I mean. This is in the shade 4, so it is a little bit darker than the one I'm using now. I think the one I'm using now is a 3.75. But I have been finding that I want something a little bit darker, so I might use this, sort of mix and match it with the one I've currently got. So yeah, I thought it was there. I'm coming to the end of the one that I've got anyway. I was going to need to buy one. No, I don't need to buy a full size. I've got another little mini. This is 0.026 grams, so there's not a lot in there, but I find that I don't get through a lot of brow products anyway. I don't use brow products all the time. I tend to only really use them if I'm filming or if I'm going out somewhere. Just day to day, I tend to just use a brow gel through my brows and that's it, I'm done. So pencils, I don't get through very often, but if I'm going to use one, I have been enjoying the Precisely My Brow, so it seemed like a good idea to get another one. And that was all of the products that I got in my Sephora Beauty Kit for November. So remember to leave a comment if you've got something you want to let me know about any of the products that I've talked about today. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope everyone's well and staying safe, and I will see you all again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.